Hey, Happy New Year. I just wanted to very quickly um, let you guys know about this online interactive live sketchbook journaling 101 class that I am doing starting January 19th. Not starting, it's on January 19th. I am offering 2 dates. If the 19th doesn't work for you, I'm also offering the other option is February 2nd. And you have until January 5th at midnight to get my early bird discount. So you can get a savings there. The regular price is $95. And if you register by the 5th, you can get it for $74. And this is my full-fledged regular class that I normally teach in person. And it's limited, each one that I'm teaching is limited to 10 people. And I'm doing it on Zoom. And we are all going to be able to you're all going to be able to communicate with me and each other, and I have never done this before. This is a new thing. It's a sort of a live experiment, but I'm really excited to be offering it because there have been people from all over that have been asking for me to do something like this, and I'm ready to try it, and I hope that some of you will join me. And I again just can't stress the benefits of doing a practice like this. Every year on New Year's Eve, or for the last several years on New Year's Eve, I sit down with my sketchbooks from the previous year and do sort of a year in review, highlights of the year. And the last couple years, if you've followed me, I'm not very shy about talking about my issues that I've been through with my health, my hormonal health, and my depression and that type of stuff that I've been going through. And so every year it's been kind of a, it comes time of the year in review, and in my head I'm thinking, oh, it's another crappy year, and I just don't, I don't look forward to going through it, but then I do sit down with my sketchbooks and I actually look at the day-to-day, and I write down the highlights of all the people that I met and the things that I did, and the different people that I worked with, the healers that I worked with, and I'm also a migraine sufferer. This year I got a life-changing new migraine drug. I'm gonna cry. Why do I always cry? Because that's my superpower. Anyway, so it's, we journal about, this is what I teach. We journal about the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. And I teach in this part of the way that I teach the workshop. I go, part of it is it's emotion. I divide it into 3 sections: emotion, identity, and time and place. And the thing is, you go through, by the time I'm done doing this exercise, like by the end of the evening, and actually there was so much, I ended up having to finish it today, but I go through my sketchbooks and I'm like, oh my God, I just felt so much better and so much more positive about the whole year after going through my sketchbook. And I'm so glad and grateful for this practice. And I realized how ridiculous it was that I waited till the end of the year to go through them, because there's so much in there from the day-to-day, and like with all the meditation and guided meditations that I do, there's so much wisdom in there that I take down from day to day, and I would gain so much by going through those, even if every month I went through the previous month's journal. Anyway, I can't stress enough how helpful this practice is to integrate into your life, and that's all I'm going to say. I would love to have you join us, and if you have any questions, please just reach out, and you can register online at anneleuck.com, or if you're seeing this on Instagram, just go to my bio and click on online classes, and I hope you'll consider joining me. All right, Happy New Year!